Hello guys, welcome to Officers Marathon channel for geography current affairs discussion. Before going into the topic, you must know that on an average 6 to 7 questions are appearing from geography subject. Okay, most of the questions are related to mappings and all. Okay, we will go into the topic. Ken Betwa River. Okay, Ken and Betwa rivers. Okay, Ken River is from Madhya Pradesh and Betwa River this is from Uttar Pradesh. Okay, both are tributaries of Yamuna. Okay, this interlinking process. Okay, this interlinking in this process, Ken water from Ken River will be transferred to Betwa River. Okay, and this helps the Bundelkhand drought prone region that spread across these two states, UP and Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Okay, next, gigaton volume detector. Okay, it is in news. Okay, gigaton volume detector here. Underwater neutrino telescopes, they were launched recently in Lake Baikal. Okay, this type of this type of project that helps us in understanding the origins of the universe. Okay, this gigaton volume detector, remember it. Okay, I have provided map also. Lake Baikal present in here. Okay, in Russia, Lake Baikal is present over here. Next, Basanchar. Basanchar, it is actually Bangladesh government has proposed settling these Rohingya people are there, right? They have migrated from Myanmar to here. Okay, for settling those people, this Basanchar, this is an uninhabited island in the estuary of Magna River. Okay, here. Okay, I have provided this image to tell you about the Brahmaputra river. In different regions, it is called by different names. Okay, in China, it is called Yarlung Jangbo. Okay, it enters Arunachal Pradesh where it is called Siang, and in Assam, it names with Brahmaputra. Okay, and here also look at the Gangas river, Gagra, Ganda, Kosi. These are all tributaries of Ganga. Okay, next, China and India disputed borders. Okay, these are important. Okay, firstly see this. It is our map at Jammu Kashmir. Okay, this is Aksai Chin. Okay, and this is Gilgit Pakistan. Okay, these are the regions that are provided here. Depsang, Galwan Valley. Okay, try to remember this in an order. Okay, which is north to south like that. Despang, Galwan Valley, Hot Spring, Pangangso. Okay, this Chusul subsector, it is in news. Okay, because of standoff between India and these Chinese soldiers. Okay, see this Despang Plains, it is present to the north of Galwan. I said Chusul subsector lies in south of Pangangso. Okay, Pangangso is here, Chusul sector is somewhere here. Okay, next. Uh, there are some regions that are having boundary disputes with China. You have to have some idea about them. Aksai Chin. Okay, it is part of autonomous region of China. Okay, the Spang Plains are present at UT, Union Territory of Ladakh, and okay, and this lies at the border between UT of Ladakh and Aksai Chin. Okay, Jamchak and Chumar both are present in Ladakh, and Kaurik and Shipkila in Himachal Pradesh, and Nehalang, Polam, Sumda, Sang, Chaddang, Laptal, Barhoti, all are present in Uttarakhand. Okay, just try to remember, go through these ones. If it comes, it can be helpful in elimination. Next, Namcha Barwa, it is a mountain in China. Okay, remember that. Okay, next, the countries that are bordering Mediterranean Sea are provided here. Okay, you have to aware because most of I think last year also asked a question from here. Okay, this is important, Mediterranean Sea bordering countries. Okay, I am here the mnemonics are provided like African countries are denoted by metal. Okay, that is okay, I am making it big. That is Morocco. Okay, Egypt, Tunisia, Algeria, Libya. Okay, and the Asian side countries are like sea list. are named with sea list, that is Cyprus, okay, Lebanon, Israel, Syria, and Turkey. Okay, and European countries are so big to name. Okay, I'm just pointing it through map. Okay, those are Greece. Okay, Albania. It's not exact. It's somewhere here only. Okay, roughly I'm mentioning. Okay, Greece, Albania, Montenegro. Okay, Bosnia, Croatia. Okay, Slovenia, Italy. Okay, this is Italy, and Monaco, France, and Spain. Okay, these are the bordering countries from Europe. Okay, repeating once, these are Greece, Albania, Montenegro, Bosnia, Croatia, Slovenia. Okay, Italy, this Monaco. Okay, France and Spain. Okay, these are the things. Yeah, remember as metal C list. Okay, this can be important. Okay, next. Here bordering countries were provided. Okay, here I intended to tell the projects that are being developed by India in those countries. Okay, here in Nepal. Okay, this Pancheshwar multi-purpose project, it is important, and Motihari Amal Kukunj petroleum pipeline. Okay, related with Nepal, and with Myanmar. Okay, Kaladan multimodal project. Okay, this is important. Next, with Bhutan we have Mangdechu hydroelectric project. Okay, if you go to south, okay, wait, is see Bangladesh. This is present here. Okay, sorry, Bangladesh. Here we are having Maitri thermal power project. Okay, developed. Okay, and Sri Lanka Indian housing project. These are having some. We may help with those project, something like that. So that's why I'm mentioning that. Okay, Maldives. It is Greater Malay Connectivity Project. Okay, next. Here provided some map. Okay, you have to aware of these things mentioned. Okay, Amami Islands. Okay, Amami Islands over here. Second. Okay, that is part of Japan. Okay, Senkaku Islands. This is claimed by second Senkaku Islands. These are mentioned third number. Okay, third number. Okay, these are claimed by Japan, China, and Japan, China, and Taiwan. Okay, next, Kilauea volcano. Okay, this is fourth numbered. Okay, here this a volcano on Hawaii's Big Island that erupted recently. Okay, remember those. Okay, next, uh, this recently archaeologist depicted a painting. Okay, that dates back to more than 45,000 years. Okay, that is wild boar. Okay, this is here, that is endemic to Sulawesi Island. Okay, this is Sulawesi Island of Indonesia. Okay, next Tharu tribes. These are news. Okay, they were from Uttar Pradesh. Okay, next, Bougainville Island. It is in news because this Bougainville Island earlier was part of this Papua New Guinea. The people over there voted to become independently. Okay, that's why it is in news. Okay, next, iceberg A68. It is the world's largest iceberg. Continues to break into smaller pieces. It is melting. Okay, A68. Uh, that's why it is in news. Okay, it is housing millions of Marconi and king penguins. Okay, Marconi is this, and king penguin is this. Almost look similar. Okay, if I forgot to mention this important A68. This is from Antarctica. Okay, next. Uh, some myth. This is revealed that Arctic is releasing methane. Okay, large quantities of methane are stored in Arctic. Okay, in natural gas deposits, permafrost, and undersea clathrates. Okay, that is okay. Clathrates is actually molecules of methane in frozen state are called clathrates. Okay, and organic matter frozen in this permafrost, which contains a lot of carbon. So these are the issues. Okay, that were noted. Okay, This is a high issue because methane is 18 times more potential than carbon. Okay, and yeah, in 10 or 20 years it decays again to become carbon. Okay, that you remember that. Okay, next, El Nino and La Nino, you should have idea. Okay, go through them. Okay, El Nino is a warm ocean current. uh, it has impact on our Indian subcontinent, like uh, in the in the way of drought, weak monsoon. Okay, and La Nino is a cold ocean current. Okay, on Indian subcontinent, it brings more rainfall than average. Okay, or it may lead to floods. Okay, La Nina. Okay, next, cyclone naming. Cyclone naming. Okay, recent times we were affected with these. Okay, two cyclones, Taukte and Yas. Okay, I have provided here cyclone Taukte. Okay, it affected this Gujarat region. Okay, and cyclone Yas, this affected this Odisha and West Bengal regions. Okay, and I have provided this image that recently India has provided some names. Okay, some names you have to just go through these names. Those are Gati, Tej, Murasu, Ag, Vyom, Jar, Prabaho, Neer, Prabhanjan, Gurni, Ambud, Chaladi, and Vega. Okay, you have to remember, you have to go through these ones because they may give in the options like these some kind of names, three or four. These are new because okay, these are the names approved by India for future cyclones. Okay, we know that 13 countries are providing names. Okay, in this region. Okay, okay. Alternatively, if any cyclone comes, okay, some countries name will be allotted. Okay, something like that. Okay, you have to have an awareness about this. Those are the which are the countries that are providing names. Okay, you can able to identify the continents that are bordering India. Okay, but we may have some confusion if some Arab countries, some countries are provided, then we might get confused. Okay, those are Iran, Qatar, Saudi, UAE, and Oman. Okay, try to remember this: Iran, Oman, Qatar, Saudi, UAE. Out of those 13, if at all comes, these options may confuse us. Okay, next, and see, Pakistan has recently, yeah, this is in news, Gulab. Okay, recently affected. Okay, Indian subcontinent. Okay, next, uh, lithium. Okay, lithium source was found recently in Karnataka. Remember that. Okay, next, Mount Sinabang. Okay, recently erupted in Indonesia. Remember that. Next, uh, Kerala government. Okay, amending their land laws to allow intercropping over there. Okay, intercropping, it is actually multiple cropping practice. Okay, multiple cropping practice that involves growing two or more crops in a proximity. Okay, see here I provided, see here, maize, soya bean, oat are I see are planting at a single place. Okay, growing are two or more crops in a proximity. Similarly, it is same, maize, peas and peas. Okay, they are growing two or more crops in proximity. That is what intercropping. Okay, we will wind up here. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get notified for more videos. Thank you.